Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check your token usage in Claude AI. All right, let's begin. First, open Claude AI and go to your profile in the bottom left corner. From there, click on Learn More, then navigate to the API console. Once you open the API console, sign in if required. After logging in, expand the dashboard using the arrow to view more details. In the dashboard, head over to the Usage section. Here you can see your token activity, including tokens in, tokens out, and overall usage. Scroll down to explore additional details like analytics and export options if you need to download your data. If you're using Claude Code, you can also find its usage details in the same dashboard. Everything is organized for easy tracking in one place. To check rate limits, use the left side menu and access the Limit section. From there, select Go to Organizational Settings to view detailed rate limits. You'll see information such as requests per minute, input tokens per minute, and output tokens per minute for each model, including free tier limits. So that's basically how you can check your token usage in Claude AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.